Inserting WordArt. WordArt allows you to create text effects that are not available through font formatting. You can also insert WordArt in your slides to make them attractive. To insert WordArt, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on WordArt command in the text group. The WordArt Styles drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Select the desired WordArt style. Step 4. A text box appears on the slide with the text, "Your text here." Start typing the text in the text box. When you finish typing the text, click anywhere outside the text box or press Escape key twice. Editing the WordArt. If you want to change or edit the WordArt, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the text box. Triple-click on the text to select it. Step 2. Click on Format tab. Step 3. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the commands, Text Fill, Text Outline or Text Effects. For example, you want to add an effect to text, click on Text Effects command. Step 4. A drop-down menu appears with different options: shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation and transform. Select any option. Step 5. A sub-menu appears. Click on desired sub-option.